The code in this lesson shows you how to combine an area with an image by filling the area with the image. This example uses a large area and a small image, so the image has to be repeated a number of times to fill the area. Now, this is the image I'll be using. Now this is a very simple image. It's very small and it's black and white. It's small enough, in fact, that the window that shows it is too large for it. It actually doesn't have all the white space on the right that's shown here. The window just stretches out to accommodate the title area. Here's the program that uses that GIF file as a fill element. This is the main line of the program. It's like the other main lines from the other programs, but with the added feature that it does load an image file. The image file, named fill.gif, is used in the construction of the image fill canvas object. This is the image fill canvas class. Now you're going to need to pay attention to this one because it's a little bit different than anything we've done before. The code here in the constructor receives the previously loaded image and stores it in its local address for future use. Then an area object is created. This is nothing you haven't seen before. The area object is originally constructed to hold an ellipse as its figure. Then, two rectangles are added to the ellipse shape, which results in an ellipse with two square corners, sort of like a football. Now here's the new stuff. It's all in the paint method. We start off by constructing a buffered image object. This object is very much like an image object, except it has some extra methods and is generally easier to work with than the image object. Now you can draw things directly to the pixel portion of a buffered image object by using its graphics 2D object, so a call is made to create graphics to return a graphics 2D object that will do just that. And here with this, the new graphics 2D object is used to fill the buffered image with a filler image. The filler image is 36 by 36 pixels, and if you look back up at the constructor of the buffered image, you'll see that it was created to just fit this image. Now we want this image to be repeated several times, and to do that we need a rectangle 2D object that specifies the size of the repeated area. That means, in this case, we need a rectangle 2D object that is the same size as the image itself. And that's what we do with the texture paint object. A new texture paint object is constructed with the buffered image object, specifying the image to be used as a filter, and the rectangle 2D object specifying the size of each fill area. The call to the graphics 2D method named setPaint installs this new object as the stuff in the picture that's used to do the filling. Finally, the fill method is called to put the new area on display and have it filled with this new image. The result looks like this. And there is the shape defined by the area shown as being filled with a pattern stored in texture paint. Okay, that's it. If you are interested in filling an area with designs and textures, this is how you do it. I suggest you use this program as a starter to see exactly what you can do and what you can't do. Experiment a bit with the texture paint object. It can do several things for you.